Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure a visa application with CIBT Visas detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin the visa application process with CIBT Visas, visit their official website. Navigate to the home page where you'll find the application section. Select the visa category that matches your travel purpose. Read through the provided information carefully to understand the requirements. Click on the Apply Now button to start your application. You will be directed to create an account if you do not have one already. Fill in the necessary information to register your account. After registering, log into your account using your credentials. Once logged in, proceed to fill out the visa application form. Provide accurate personal details, including your full name and contact information. Make sure to enter your passport details as requested. Attach any required documents according to the visa type guidelines. These documents may include your passport copy, photos, and travel itineraries. Review the document checklist provided to ensure completeness. After filling out all sections, review your application for accuracy. Make any necessary corrections before submitting the application. Once satisfied, submit your application for processing. You will receive a confirmation email with the details of your submission. Keep this email for future reference regarding your application status. Next, you may need to pay the application fee online through the portal. Follow the prompts to enter your payment information securely. After payment, you will receive a receipt confirming your transaction. Check the estimated processing times for your specific visa type. If required, schedule an appointment for any in-person interviews or biometrics. Keep an eye on your application status through your CIBT account. CIBT Visas provides updates via email, so monitor your inbox for notifications. Once your visa is approved, follow the instructions provided for collection or mailing. Prepare for your trip by ensuring you have all necessary travel documents ready. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.